In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flip an image in Figma. By the end, you'll know exactly how to mirror any image left to right or top to bottom, and you'll understand a few simple checks that make the process smooth and predictable. Let's start by opening the Figma website in your browser. Once you're in, open the design file where your image lives. If you already have a project open, that's perfect. No need to create anything new for this. The key is to have the image you want to flip visible on your canvas. Now make sure your image is ready. In practice, that means the image is placed and selected. Click directly on the image to select it. If it's inside a frame or a group, click until just the image layer is highlighted. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box around it. This step matters because flipping affects whatever is currently selected. If the frame or the entire group is selected, you'll flip more than you intended. With the image selected, right-click to open the context menu. In that menu, you'll see the options Flip Horizontal and Flip Vertical. Click Flip Horizontal if you want to mirror the image from left to right, as if reflecting across a vertical axis. Click Flip Vertical if you want to mirror it from top to bottom, as if reflecting across a horizontal axis. The change is instant, and you'll see the image update right away. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can get the same result even faster. Press Ctrl+H to flip horizontally or Ctrl+V to flip vertically. Shortcuts are especially handy when you're testing different orientations or making quick before and after comparisons. If the flip doesn't seem to work, double-check that the image layer is selected and not the canvas or a parent frame. You can also confirm in the Layers panel that the image itself is highlighted. And don't worry about making a mistake. Flipping is non-destructive, so you can undo instantly if you change your mind. After flipping, take a quick look at your layout. Sometimes a mirrored image may change the visual balance, especially if it contains faces, directional elements, or text baked into the image. A small nudge or alignment tweak might help it sit just right with nearby elements. That's all there is to it. Open Figma, open your design, make sure your image is selected, right-click to choose Flip Horizontal or Flip Vertical, or use Ctrl+H and Ctrl+V for a quick shortcut. With these basics, you can flip images confidently and keep your design moving.